Hey there everyone, Harry here. I am going killer clown hunting. Yeah, this is my first killer clown hunt. You can't really see because I'm not a good editor. Just make it out. It's just a street in dark right now. So there was just someone walking past. I thought it was a clown. Yeah. Can't believe this is my first killer clown hunt. I can't believe this is my first killer clown hunt. My sister's going to have a flashlight on.
Not fucking yet.
So Rachel, put your flashlight on. We're doing a video. Oh yeah, clown hunting.
No, we're not. Taking it off for a white freak.
We're doing some clown hunting. So as you can see, we're doing some clown hunting.
No, we're not.
Oh, I am anyway. So we're going around the field, seeing what's there. I'm not sure if you can see me. So yeah. There's my brother over there. That's my dad. Rachel, turn your flashlight on.
No, I'm doing a video.
Right, so this is going to be the end of this short video, but guys, please go check Rachel's channel out. So, bye!